You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two names correctly in English. If you want to learn more names from astronomy and mythology, stay tuned. The top name is a constellation, also from Greek mythology, Orion. Orion, some say it as Orion as well. Bottom name is a planet, Uranus. Uranus, not Uranus. Some may pronounce it also as Uranus or Uranus. How do you pronounce those two yourself, or how do you use to pronounce them? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.